Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change date and time in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Go to the settings and then go to general management and go to date and time and turn off this button automatic date and time so that you can set date and time manually. Click on set date and select the date that you would like to set. Here I would like to set 7. Okay, click on done. Click on set time and set the time here. I just set this time. Okay, and if you use 24-hour format, if you would like to use 24-hour format, turn on this button and 24-hour format will be displayed. See here, put lock screen and see the changes. This is the date and time. Okay, it's in 24-hour format. If you only would like to use 12-hour format, yes, you can do it. Go to the general management, date and time, and just turn off this button. Use 24-hour format and 12-hour format is now followed. Okay, see here, 12-hour format is followed. So in this way you can easily set date and time in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.